Hello everyone, today I want to introduce to you a home decor, furniture, and lifestyle shopping app that is very popular in Korea called Appenology. When you first open the app, a registration and login interface will appear. You can choose to log in with an SNS account such as Kakao, Never Facebook, or apply with one click. If you already have an account, you can also log in with your email or register with your email. If you don't register an account, you can click here to use in basic functions. Click on the My Page section in the bottom navigation bar. Within My Page, you have the ability to upload photos, share your own content, and earn points. Next to the profile page, there is a shopping tab where you can view coupons and points, track order status, and see your favorite stores. The homepage enables you to obtain design inspiration through photos and learn various decoration techniques from other users. By switching pages, you can view renovation photos under different topics. Click the store icon in the middle to explore a wide variety of products. Click on Decoration and Life to explore a variety of interior design styles that cater to different tastes and preferences. In this section, you have the opportunity to directly engage in communication and consultation with experienced decorators who can provide valuable insights and advice. We will now proceed to switch over to the second feature page, where you can continue browsing through additional options and features that may be of interest to you. Clicking the plus sign allows you to view detailed information about the corresponding item, including the estimated price and various photos of the user materials. Enter the store menu. Click here to choose by category. You can use the search bar to enter product names. Furniture categories are diverse. There are many advertised and recommended products here. Swipe for more details. Click Fresh for reviews. You can also compare the original price and the current price. It says here that the shipping fee for a bed is 30,000 Korean won payable on delivery. Click to view more detailed information. You can see the estimated time slide and browse more users than images. Click here to buy. Choose product options like size, color, quantity first. Then click Buy Now or Add to Cart. Click the top cart icon to confirm item quantity and total. Then click the button below to buy. Enter personal information here: name, email, phone number. A verification code is required for verification. Fill in the shipping address, recipient's name, phone number, postal code, and detailed address. Check this box to set the address as the default. Scroll down to double check the price once more, and then select a payment method from the available options. which include pay, credit card, debit card, quick payment, and others. After confirming the amount and agreeing to terms, complete payment. Track delivery status on my order page after order completion. Thanks for watching.